I'll need help. Well, welcome to Livy Land. Welcome to Livy Land.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jolene and this is Livyland. On today's video, I am going to be cash stuffing my Etsy pay for this previous week. But to start off with, because I keep forgetting, I am going to share a couple things of Happy Mail that I have recently received. So first is from Budgets with Liz. And
Also from Becky.
maybe. Okay, so normally I do not unpackage this kind of stuff on camera, but I had to share this because of how cute it was. But I'm not very graceful when it comes to opening these packages. So bear with me as we get through this together. Okay, so cute. Okay, so she does send a thank you card, and on the back are her YouTube and Etsy and Instagram. All are Budgets with Liz, and Budgets is with a Z. It'll be linked in the description below. She is a fellow Hello Kitty lover, and so of course she sent me a Hello Kitty sticker. And then she is really into pink and bows, and so she sent me some stickers. More than likely those are going to wind up in Livy's hands. And because she loves bows, her freebies are bows, so they are both mini challenges, and so you will eventually see these in my setup to play. And then what I ordered were 2 of her designer inspired paper clips, and so I ordered the white, and she hand makes these to put the Louis Vuitton inspired ribbon on it, and then she hand makes the beaded bows that go on here. So I ordered white, and then I also ordered the black. Cute packaging, Liz. And I ordered the black, and because she is one of my really good friends in the community, she also included the pink one for me. And so you will eventually see these in my setup. I haven't decided which binders I am going to put them in, but I had to have them when she launched them. Okay, so I should have put them back in as I was unpackaging them, so that I keep them safe until I decide which binders I want to put them in. And I'm probably going to keep these cute pink. I might have to invest in some of these because I really like them. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in here just to keep everything together and I don't lose any of it. So thank you so much, Liz. So generous. Okay. And then I ordered from Noteworthy Co. She was having a really good sale, and I am very excited for her return. But I ordered 2 of her challenges. So I ordered her monthly savings, which will total up to $500. And what I will probably do is end up breaking these down maybe into separate amounts to total up to the 40, 60, 40, 20 I can do on its own, but we'll see. But I wanted this one, and then I ordered the I ordered the $1,000 challenge. She sent me the 2,000, but that's okay. We can still play it. So haven't decided how I'm going to approach these yet, but she was having a good sale, and so I wanted to order them. And then I ordered her, it was a 6-pack of these black envelopes, which I don't have anything like this. Not really sure how I'm going to put them to use just yet, but maybe this will motivate me to start using my brand new Cricut machine that I ordered months and months and months ago to put some vinyl labels on here. So we'll see. She does also, I loved the black with the chrome silver or metallic silver on there. But she did include just a reminder about imperfect products, and then a thank you card from Nay. Okay, and then I ordered one of her binders, and this will become my holiday binder. I wanted a mint colored one, and as you can see here, I'm into the pebbled look right now. And there's her logo, Noteworthy Co. And so again, this will become my holiday binder as soon as I figure out what I want to put into it. And then I ordered one of her vellum dashboards here, and I will end up, I'll end up laminating this to protect it, but I don't want to ruin it. I've been keeping it inside this cellophane pouch so that I don't ruin it, but it says it won't happen overnight, but if you quit, it won't happen at all. So I really liked that saying. And this is printed on vellum, but I want to protect it with, I'll probably do some 5mm glossy laminate, but this is A5 size. And so I ordered that. So that is the Happy Mail that I have to share. I have some more coming in the mail from a couple other shops. Okay, so now that I have shared that, let me just get this out of the way and we'll get into the cash stuffing. Okay, so pull out my cash tray here. Use some of my Sort Quick. I didn't want to use this on my fingers as I opened the Happy Mail. Okay, my cash pouch. And of course, I didn't sort the money like I normally do ahead of camera, so we'll just see this real time right now, but it does bother me to have the money facing different directions, so. Okay. And so we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, and 16. So 216 that I am stuffing today. And I am actually stuffing this and not playing savings challenges with it. So I've been trying to, every other Etsy paycheck, depending on how much it is, I kind of alternate between actually stuffing my business binder and allocating it back into my business and also paying myself a little bit. And then the next one, I will use the money to play savings challenges with my part-time money as well. So this time I decided to use it to actually stuff my business binder and pay myself. Okay, so this is my business binder. And did recently unstuff both my Canva and my P.O. box because they are due this month. So I have to start these back over. So Canva is going to get 5, and that's all it has. And I do have the yearly subscription to that. P.O. box is going to get 5 as well. I do have a 6-month P.O. box. And where I am at, there is no discount to do the yearly one, so that's why I just opt to do the 6-month one. Okay, business taxes is going to get $60, so we have 50 and 60. So now business taxes has 1,500 in the bank, 50, 600, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 1,680. And how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I do not have any business debt right now, so I'm not going to stuff that envelope. Shipping is going to get $10. So now shipping has 20, 30, 1, and 2. supplies is going to get 60, and that's going to be 20, 40, 50, and 60. So now in supplies, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 214. And then equipment is going to get 20. So now equipment has 20, 25, 6, and 7. Just gonna slowly build this one back up. Okay, that is it for my business binder this time. And now for my part of my pay, I am going into my high priority, and lashes is going to get 10. So now lashes has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, and 5. And I do have to get my lashes done this weekend. Nails is also going to get 10. So now nails is 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 85. And I do need to get my nails done again. Okay, and then that is it for this binder. And then I am going to go into low priority, which I think I am going to be changing around binders and how I categorize different envelopes and where I place them, but I haven't quite decided yet. So, okay, Livy is going to get 5. And so now Livy has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Chris, my husband, is going to get 5 as well. So now he has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. And I did make some new envelopes here. I'm playing around with some clip art that I have purchased recently. And so made myself a new envelope as well. And move this aside because I have a challenge in my own envelope. And I'm going to do, this is a challenge from Brittany with Beezy's Things, her self-care for the girlies. Each icon is worth $3, so I am going to do 2 today for $6. We're going to add 6 to this challenge, so 5 and 6. So towards this challenge I have 5, 10, 11, 12. And while that dries, also in my envelope, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 50. So a total of 162 in my envelope. But recently, Libby and I have purchased a few things, so I will need to unstuff. Okay, Mommy Daddy Dates also has a challenge in it. And I am going to do 10 into this one. So we will do the me plus you equals the heart. I'm just going to color in this heart since there's already a heart for me. Okay, adding 10. So now in this envelope I have 20, 30, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 39 towards this challenge. And this is by Angela with MSO Budgets. Right, and lastly, I am doing a challenge in here. This is also by Angela with MSO Budgets. I am doing $10 towards this one. Okay, so now I have 20 in here going towards this challenge, but also in this envelope, I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 6, 7, and 8. So this is the part that I can touch if I want to buy anything, and then I cannot touch these funds until I finish this. That's how I've been trying to keep myself contained with my shopping for cash stuffing goodies. But that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Here comes
Bye.
Lady saying bye.
Bye,
See you
bye.
later. Bye.